In this factoring methods video, I will share 2 tips for factoring out the GCF. Your first step in all factoring is to factor out the GCF. My tip is this: leading terms that are negative, you need to factor out a negative, at least a -1. And so in the expression negative x squared plus 4, I'm going to factor out a -1. And so what I would have in parentheses is x squared minus 4. Remember, you can always check by multiplying back to make sure that you factored correctly. -1 times x squared is -x squared, and -1 times -4 is +4. Now I will note that x squared minus 4 factors. There's another video that will explain how to factor an expression like that. The second tip is this: after you factor out the GCF, the number of terms in the parentheses should be the same as the original expression. So for example, in the expression 3x squared y plus 6y plus 3, you have 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. So when I factor out the GCF, which is 3, I should have 3 terms inside the parentheses. These would be x squared y plus 2y plus 1, not 0. A lot of times students think that when the entire term factors out as the GCF that they're left with nothing. But remember, this has got to multiply back to the original expression. So let's check that. 3 times x squared y is 3x squared y plus 3 times 2y is 6y plus 3 times 1 is 3. If you were thinking that that last term in parentheses was a 0, hopefully now you can see that you wouldn't get the 3 back.